Hi, this is Marty Carter with SumnerOne Service. If you're having trouble replacing toner in the Kyocera Task Alpha series, this video is for you. Okay, there's two issues that we seem to be having with replacing the toner cartridges. When we open the door, this flap drops automatically. We pull out the old toner cartridge. Now, the new toner cartridge is coming in a box, and in some cases it's not sliding all the way in. There are two tabs on the front of this toner cartridge, and it's important that both of them are forward. Sometimes maybe one will be forward, but both of these need to be in the forward position. If they're like this, that new cartridge will slide right into the machine. You're good. The other issue we're finding, sometimes the full waste toner cartridge can find its way back on the supply shelf, and users will mistake that for a new cartridge. Once you try to load it, it refuses as well. Make sure when we change out the waste toner cartridge that immediately goes into the trash can. Hopefully this video helped. If not, you can give us a call or you can go to our website, SumnerOne.com. Thank you.